4, 3, 2, 1.
The nightmare has corrupted dragons, gods, and legends. Your downfall will be simple and swift.
Embrace the dream, Ancient. It can save you.
No, I will not permit it.
Nightmare Blades.
I'll slice into the heart of you.
Intentions rise. They push me to divert my vision, but I will
Good meta.
make the
Time to cut the last tether to your mortal life.
for all this time and all the reasons that I cannot find.
I will sever you from the waking world. I'll slice into the heart of you.
Darkening Soul. Darkening
I will
Soul.
sever you from the waking world.
I will do my best to keep myself composed. It takes a lot not to overload.
Time to cut the last tether to your mortal life.
Can't tell me what is right for me. I just need peace of mind and my ability.
I will sever you from the waking world.
That it would be this hard. You can't force it, but you'll play your part. So I will run until I reach the end, and who knows where I'll be. But all I know is that we'll start again.
Feel the devastation of the nightmare.
Taka.
Embrace the dream.
Taka, ekki
Ancient.
brútt, ekki brútt, ekki brútt.
It can save
Oj,
you.
bra.
No, I will not permit it.
Færi fórsi.
Hann er í löðinu. Sem bara, eru búið að tóka í lefn fyrir hann.
Time to crush your dreams.
Það er bara 7 sekundur eftir að streamflip.
Já, líka mér. Þrjómstu fyrir mér.
Við náðum með öllum.
Blackening Soul.
Nice.
Blackening
Byrjar
Soul.
með mana, hann gefur þetta drýtið. Það er svona spana.
Time to crush your dreams.
I've got my sights
Varstu þess að bósa bósi?
my sights on a brand new beginning.
I'll level you
Alright,
one
that's it.
by one.
Rhythm will hold me to the shore. I've got
Amen.
my sights on a brand
Clear
new
out.
beginning. A steady rhythm will hold me to the shore.
Hvernig breytist
Blackening
því
Soul.
Þetta er fá full corruption.
Feel the devastation of the
Blackening Soul.
nightmare.
Þrýr. Þrýr.
Blackening Soul. Blackening Soul.
Erum við með engin combat resist?
Kombandið er bæðið, sko. Það er þess að hýla það.
Hats.
Viltu einhvern boll?
Blackening Soul. Blackening Soul. Writhing Deep.
Feel the devastation of the nightmare!
Pröfum bara aðan að þessu verður safe.
Gerðu þetta bara rétt, dröfald.
Blackening Soul.
Time to cut the last tether to your mortal
Ekki
life!
glemma
Blackening
þessum.
Soul. Writhing Deep.
Það var healing.
Another dreamer for my
Blackening
night!
Soul.
I'll level you one by one!
Writhing Deep. Blackening Soul.
I will sever you from the waking world!
Blackening Soul. Blackening Soul. Writhing Deep.
Ég get pantan að vera í smá.
Já, ekki strax.
Blackening Soul.
I'll level you! I'll slice into the heart of you!
Blackening Soul.
Takk sér tap.
Writhing Deep.
Þetta taka nú.
Settu ára sætt.
My victory draws near.
Now which way do we go is the question to ask. There are so
Writhing Deep.
many choices that it's hard not
I'll
to
slice into the heart of you!
Vonar þetta bara endalaust eða?
Time to crush your
Blackening
dreams!
Soul.
we have to take. Will we
Ekki mörg þetta, þetta er úr bossum með yes.
Ég held að
Blackening Soul.
Boss.
try to find ourselves without
This
Blackening
fate
Soul.
awaits you all!
Writhing Deep.
we can no longer hold
Eternal slumber! This fate awaits you all!
we cannot sink into the dark. The vertigo is getting sharp. There's something greater than
Time to cut the last tether to your mortal life!
Ég er með bata þessu í hlutum.
I'll level you one
Writhing
by
deep.
one!
Koma svo. Má geta það.
Meiri svo.
Vel gert.
Oh my god, maður.
Var einhver rekordið þetta?
Easy.
Var einhver rekordið þetta?
Nei.
Þetta var sex.